Hello and welcome to WPForms. In today's video, we're going to learn all about and how to use the PayPal add-on by WPForms. Our PayPal add-on makes it super easy to integrate PayPal into your forms for sales, donations, and more. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set it up in just a few short clicks. With that said, let's jump right in. After logging in and installing the WPForms plugin, we'll first need to install and activate the PayPal add-on. We'll do this by going to WPForms, Add-ons, and scrolling down until you find the PayPal add-on. Click Install Add-on and wait for the status to change to active. Once the status has been updated, we'll be ready to head into the form builder by clicking on the Add New tab on the left side. WPForms comes with lots of different templates to get you started as quickly as possible. You can browse to the available categories to pick one you'd like to use, or search for specific keywords by using the available search bar. Let's use the billing and order form template as a base, and we'll go from there. This particular template comes with some default fields for information like a visitor's name, email address, phone number, and mailing address. It also comes with a multiple choice field so users can select from various items to purchase, and a total amount that will show them how much will be charged to their PayPal account. When you're done setting up your form fields, click on the Payments tab on the left, and then click on the PayPal tab. Be sure to click on the Enable PayPal Standard Payments toggle to turn this feature on, otherwise you won't be able to collect any payments. In the PayPal email address field, type in the email address associated with your PayPal account. The Mode drop-down field allows you to select from two different options, Production or Test Sandbox. Production mode means that you're accepting live payments from real customers, and Test Sandbox means that you can fill out and submit test payments to make sure that everything is working properly. As a rule of thumb, we recommend testing out your forms before going live. In the Payment Type drop-down field, you can select from either Products and Services or Donation. Set this option to the choice that matches the type of transaction you'll be accepting for this form. If customers end up not completing their payment in PayPal, you can enter a URL in the Cancel URL field that these customers will then be directed to. And finally, if you're selling anything that will need to be shipped to the customer, you can choose to ask for and require an address during PayPal's checkout process. Additionally, there are two more settings at the bottom of the page. Don't ask buyer to include a note with payment, which you can enable if you don't need users to add a note during the checkout process, and enable Conditional Logic. With Smart Conditional Logic, you can create a form that automatically changes its behavior based on a user's selections. By default, WPForms will automatically send a notification to your site's admin email address once a user submits a form. With the PayPal add-on, you can also specifically get a notification once a user has finished paying in PayPal. To enable this option, click on the Notifications tab on the left, and at the bottom, you'll find an option called Enable for PayPal Standard Completed Payments. Turn this on to receive email notifications specifically for completed payments in PayPal. Once you're done making your changes, click on the Save button on the top right corner, and you're all set. You now know how to accept PayPal payments through your site's forms. If you have any questions or concerns, please be sure to visit WPForms.com and check out our documentation page, which has step-by-step written instructions for all of our features and add-ons. If you need any extra technical help, please go to our contact page and reach out to our support team. Hey everybody, this is Daisy with WPForms. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where I can show you how to build smarter forms with WPForms through our how-to videos and more.